Hear me now, TVS.
LB, yeah. Hi, I'm Tyeisha and welcome to Shonna's Place. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy granola, which is perfect for just snacking on or for like breakfast, anything like that. So like the basic granola, what you need is oats, so like a form of liquid sugar. So you could use like honey or like simple syrup or something like that. Today I'm going to be using like a kind of like sugar water thing that has partially caramelized, kind of. And then any other mixings or add-ins that you would like to proceed. So for me, I'm going to be using apples, pumpkin seeds, raisins. So come with me to my kitchen and let's get this done. Okay, so I'm starting off with 4 cups of oats. And now I'm going to add in some apples. I just cut up 2 apples, however I felt like. They're not in any particular shape. I probably should have cut them much smaller, but that's okay. Alright, I also have some pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. Pumpkin seeds and some raisins. So I just want to mix these up with a spoon. So the reason I'm putting in the apples one time is because I feel like ideally dried apples would be used, but that's not the case right now. So the apples have to go in one time for sure. These pumpkin seeds were in the fridge, so I just want to get them kind of like dehydrated even more. That's why they're also going in at this point instead of adding in at the end. And I figured I could as well put the raisins in. So for our liquid sugar or liquid sweet or whatever, I'm going to be using this liquid here, which is basically is a cup of sugar and a half cup of water. So I'm just mixing that all together right now because you just want the liquid to kind of hold it together. I'm not sure if it was enough. So I have this pan here which I have lined with parchment paper, and so I'm just going to put in the oats now. This might be a bit much for this container, for this tray, but c'est la vie. So now that everything is inside of the pan, it's just time to pop it in the oven. It's not quite as crisp as I would like, but it was starting to burn, so I think I'm going to try putting it in the toaster oven now to see if it gets as toasty as I would like. I think that what caused this issue is because there was like a lot of water inside of the little syrup thing that I made. So I'll just like report on this in the morning. Okay, so putting it in the toaster oven was successful. After 10 to 15 minutes, the granola was, to the crisp, crunchy way that it should be. And that was very enjoyable. So you guys should definitely try this out. And be sure to let me know if you guys try it either via Instagram or in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.